Now the token what you are asking for is, I hope you are aware that we required a file from the Cisco itself, right?
Right.
So if we have that file, which I have, okay, and I imported also just to showcase maybe in for your previous classes, but you didn't ask, so I didn't show you. Okay. But yeah, I imported for you earlier. Okay. Now let me show you where are the certificates. If you see, you are talking about these tokens, right?
Yeah. Token generated. Yeah. The left side, something called token generated. Yeah.
So what happened is from the Cisco Smart account, okay, you can associate your what you can do, like if you go here, like administration settings, okay, here organization name Cisco Authorization Enterprise, okay, and if I will edit, where was that? There was some setting where you can, okay, maybe not here, sorry, here only, okay. Here only there are settings like you can import it from the this file, okay. You can import it from the Cisco itself, or you can download from Cisco or import over here. Go to the devices. Can you see this? If you click upload WAN edge, like I have a WAN edge serial file from Wiptela. Can you see this? I can select it, I can open, and it will upload. And you can see these are the, these are some of the entries. Okay. Else, what you can see, you can sync directly. Put the username, put the password. Okay. And don't validate. Validate it manually whenever you want. Like if you see, these are not validated. Okay, you can validate them later on. Got this point? Any other question? So currently they are invalid. You can click on valid. Once you click on valid, now what happened is you need to go to the V edge. I am just showing you. I will not. So I will not run that command. But let me show you. And go to the putty again. It is 100. What happened? Sorry for that. 100.120.1. Okay. Now if you go over here, admin. Okay. First you need to valid. First you need to click valid here. Send to the controllers. Can you see this button is red? Why it is red? Because let me show you. Where is VBON? Admin. Okay. So orchestra valid VH. So can you see these are the valid VH. Okay. VBON is aware about only these chassis numbers. But once you click one of them as valid, okay, like in our case, we did valid, right? We did valid this 212F in the last. If I will send to the controllers, my VBON will aware now that, okay, one more device is there. Can you see this? And somebody can claim this. Somebody can claim this. Getting this point? And what we need to do? Over here, we need to say request VH cloud activate. It will ask chassis number, put the chassis number, then it will ask token number, put the token number. Once those things were done, it will automatically remove this token number with the some serial number. You got this point? Any doubt?
Okay. So if you do that, it will become installed. It will install the certificate.
Yeah, it will automatically install certificate because let me tell you, because if you go to the your settings, can you read this WAN Edge Cloud Certificate Authorization automatic? So vManage is the one who would done these things for you. So vManage is a certificate authority also. Certificate like it will do like act as a C. Getting this one? Now, since I don't want this, I don't want this to be as a valid. So what I will do, I will go to the certificate. I will invalidate again. Again, you can see it is red. Sent to the controllers. Once it is sent to the controllers, vBond again will not expect anything. vBond is aware only about these 4, which are already there, and serial number already there. Fine. Any doubts so far?
Okay, so we have to go to click on valid, is it?
Sorry.
We have to click on valid.
First, we need to have this file. Okay. This file come from where? From the Cisco Smart Account. Once you have Cisco Smart Account, okay, what you can do is you can download the file from there, or you can go to the, like as I told you, you can just sync the Smart Account. This option. Okay. In organization, mostly you have this sync option available. Don't click on validated because we can validate it later. Okay. So let us say either you have the Cisco account in the sync or you are importing it. Such token file will be come to you depending upon how many devices you requested and what sort of devices you requested. Like in my case, I requested only VH, not the CH.
Okay. Can you go to the left? Can you go to the left and click on the green button, the green one, the left one?
Here.
Yeah. Okay. Now I want to know, token generated means is it installed or not installed? The certificate.
No, not installed. See, it is token. If once it will be get activated on the VH, there would be some certificate, not the token. It means it is free.
Okay, token generated means there's no install of the certificate.
Yes, currently it is free. You can use it for future purpose. Got this point?
Okay, so the above two has been certified, right? Above
yes, because these are not token. These are serial number. If you go down, there is one more serial number.
Okay, so anything serial number means it's
already in use. You can see this. See this state also. See this state. Certificate installed. See this state. Token is nothing but like a OTP, one-time password. Okay. Once you enter that OTP through your VH, it will give some kind of serial number.
Okay. So once you install the certificate, and you will get a serial number like 12, 13, 14, something like that.
It can be any random thing. Do you want me to generate it? Do you want to see the lab?
Yeah, sure, we can do it.
Okay. Give me a minute then. Let me check for one of the VH. See, this is VS 230. Okay. Admin. Admin. And if I will check so certificate serial, you can see it has the serial number 16. Okay. What I will do is I will go to the vManage. In the vManage, I will go to the certificate. This is your VH 230, right? What I will do, I will say invalid. So I will say that okay, invalidate. Now this device is invalidated. Okay. This device is not there now. What I need to do, I need to send it to the controller first. If you will go to the V edge, see 16 is not there. Getting this point? Now, if I will go to the devices, you could see there is a device 16, but since it is invalidated, I can go and delete this permanently. By doing so, if you will go to the main dashboard, you will have only 3 VANage. Now I want the new VANage, but I want it through the token and certificate. Okay. So how to do? First, validate one of them. Any. Maybe I am validating from the last, or maybe I am validating from the middle. But good practice, go from line by line. Okay. Validate. Once you validate, you could see it is asking send to the controllers. Click here. If you click over here, you could able to see vBond, vSmart, vManage is now aware. Aware of what? Like this can be a token number and this can be a chassis number for the new devices which will come. Okay. So now I need to do actually all of the configuration again over here. 230. What happened? Okay. I didn't wipe out, right? I need to wipe out this also. I need to wipe out. Okay. Now I need to start it. Did I wipe out? Wipe out. Now I need to start it. When I will boot it up, this device does not have any certificate. Okay. This device does not have any of the token number or certificate, or it is new to this fabric. Okay, it is not. It is bit like you are adding a new VANage device. Okay. Here you can see it is asking for admin is okay. It is initializing. Let it get. I will show you both ways, okay? The manual way and the way of Cisco vManage. Now, if you will see, it is asking for the password, but username is not entered. Admin and admin. Okay. Oh shit. Admin. Okay. Now you go to the config key. Go for the host name. Sorry, system. Under the system, go to the host name. Put some host name like I am putting it is 230 site. I am putting VS 230. Then system IP. What is your system IP? 1.120. Sorry, 230.1.1. Okay. Then site ID. What is your site ID? 230. Then organization. What is organization? NetMinion. Then vBond. vBond is what? 20.1.1.11. These are the 5 main settings here. Exit. And do a commit. Then go to the VPN 0. Here go to the interface gig 0 by 0. Put the IP address. Like I know the IP address 100.230. 230.1.2/30. Okay. Then no shut. Then what? Turn interface. Allow service on. Encapsulation. IPsec. Okay. What next? Color. Color. Public internet. Exit. Exit. Then put the IP down like 0000. Okay. Then /0. It should be the next side. So one. Commit. Control Z. Let me try to ping 20.1.1.1. See, I have the reachability. But still, if I will open the vBond from here, vBond. Admin. So orchestration valid VH. Wow, it is showing like that. So what it is saying, if you check, where is that? Serial number, here is the serial number, here is the serial number, here is the serial number. But here if you see, I have serial number bit like this, which is a token. Getting this one? It is what? Token. And this is your chassis now. But it is waiting that somebody should claim. Okay. To get it claimed, we can go over here and we can say request v edge cloud activate. It will say what chassis number you have. Put the chassis number, whatever chassis number you have. I will go over here. I will say that, okay, I have a chassis number. This is my chassis number. Like I go there. Put the chassis number, put enter. See, value of token. Okay. Here you need to put this value of the token and put enter. So show control connections. If I will keep on doing it, you could see for a very while it will generate a connection with the vBond. Okay, maybe I missed. So I can see show certificate. Show what was that? Certificate installed. Currently, no, none of the certificate that is installed, right? Wait for one. Let me check here. Currently, there is also nothing. Okay, wait for that. See, currently it is not installed. Right. Oh, I didn't install the root also. No? So maybe we can add the root also meanwhile. Yeah? Root to be installed. So root I forget. So for the root, I need to boot up this. First root has to be, installed. Give me a minute. Let it get booted up.
Mm.
So you can see I am having root access. Okay, sorry, the C access. I will say request. I will download from the TFTP 20.1.1.14. Okay, and there is a file named as pk.c. Okay, now I will say request, then root search chain, install in the home, then admin, and then the name is pki.c. Okay. Because
Okay, so you're downloading the PK file from the root server, which is
yes,
20.1.1.14.
yes.
And you're downloading it to the home folder, huh?
See, it make a connection. Can you see? We manage, we bond, these are up. Now, if you will check the serial, can you see the serial number is there? Because using the root, it will authenticate between each other. Can you see the serial number? Now, if you will go to the vBond and you check again, can you see here? The serial number is automatically generated. Getting this point? If you go to the vManage now, okay, go to the vManage, go to the devices, go to the certificates. You could see there is a certificate, serial number instead of token. Earlier there was token. And if you see, this certificate is now restored. If you go to the main dashboard, okay, still it is down. Okay, that's all right. It is showing you reachable or something, but it's all right. Can you see that? Are you getting this point?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
Okay.
Now let me go to the another way around. Okay, I am closing this file. I am again going to my topology. I am again saying it, wipe it out. This is another way. Try to understand. Okay. I am again booting it up. Oh, my bad. I need to first invalidate this certificate. Otherwise, it will keep on.
Okay, one second. If you invalidate, it will become invalid, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, there are two options. One is valid, one is invalid. If you invalidate, it will become invalid. So it will be invalid.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I will go to the devices and check this. And let me delete this one. I don't want it. Okay. So I just removed the same. Now, if you will go to the main dashboard, it should have only 3. It should not showing me the 4th one. Currently, what I am doing is, Rishi, if you see in the certificate, I am not using any one of them. I will generate my own. Are you getting this point? All of them are invalidated. Okay. So what I can do, I can go to the devices. If you want, we can just, delete all of them. We can onboard it, but obvious again, if we want. Let me just delete. Let me delete everywhere else. Okay. It is a bit like that. Okay. I don't require it now. Probably I require later on. Then I will ask for you. Otherwise, for now, let it get, all of them are invalid state. That is the reason you can delete. Otherwise, you could not able to delete them. So you can see, I don't have any serial token file or any other thing. I have only 3, devices. Getting this point? What I need to do? I need to go to this buddy again. Okay. Because I wiped out everything from it. So Do I have one? Give me a minute. I have a console. Okay. So I need to open it. It is getting booted up meanwhile.
Mm. Mm.
So prompt is there. I hope it is booted up. Admin,
Mm.
again password, again password. Okay. So
Mm.
this device is new to the SD-WAN fabric.
Mm.
Very new. It does not have anything. Again, what we need to do, we need to go to the config T. Okay. Go to the system. Under the system, all of these like first hostname, VH230, anything you can put. I am just putting VH230, or maybe I can say VH230 iNet, because it is internet site. I am just using it as iNet. Okay. Then what? You can put the system IP 1.230.1.1. Then what? Site ID. Site ID is. Then what? VBOD. VBOD 20.1.1.11. Then what? Organization. Okay. Next. These are the fundamental basic five, maybe you could say, things which you need to put. Then again, I will go to the VPN 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Under the VPN 0, go to the interface GE0 by 0. These are actually required things. IP address 100.1.230 100.230.1.2 slash 30. Okay. Then I need to say that don't shut it down. Go to the tunnel interface, allow service on. Okay. Encapsulation is IPsec. Okay. Then color, you can provide the public internet color. Okay. Then maybe we don't require anything. We can go to the exit. Okay. And we can go to the exit again. And here, just last thing, I need to put the IP route. And this is my next. Okay. So I am coming out. Now I will try to ping 20.1.1.14 again. That is my root CA. Now I will generate the certificate from here, from the root certificate. Okay.
Yeah.
Now root certificate can be on the Linux, can be on the Windows. It is purely your wish. What two things you required is one is the like root certificate. Second is the identity certificate. Okay. So root certificate already there. Again, as I showed you earlier, I will go request download from TFTP. I am downloading a file which is nothing but my root C. Okay. This file name is pki.c. Okay. Now, since this file already installed, I will say root cert chain is there. Install that. Where it is? It is into my home directory, admin directory, and the PKI file, whatever I installed in the first command, it is the same. And I
okay, 1 second. So you're installing this pki.ca file onto the home directory of this VH.
No. See, if I will go to the V shell, this file already existing there. Let me show you. Present working directly. I am in the home. I am in the admin. If I will display the files, you could see this file is already there. What I am see in the by this line, I download this file over here. By second line, I am telling that you need to install the root chain, and this is the path. Are you getting my point?
Okay. You're downloading it and then installing it from the home directory of the
I am just defining the path. So the same thing can be achieved through the VNSCP also. Let us say if you are going to the VNSC.
No, can you go back again? 1 second. Go back again.
Okay. Here.
Yeah. So, so you're installing this pki.ca on the home directory of the VH, huh?
Correct. Correct.
Right? You're downloading the TFTP file, right, from
From
the root
TFTP,
server,
using TFTP from the root CA, I
root
downloaded this
CA,
file.
download it,
I
and then you're
downloaded this file.
installing this pki.ca on the home directory
Yes,
of the VH30, 230, right?
yes. So this is the path. This is the path
Okay,
where this file will download. Any file will download
right.
over here.
In the home directory of the VH230
Home and admin. Yes.
admin directory, right? So you downloaded it and you're installing this pki.ca file onto the home and administration directory, admin
Hmm,
directory,
hmm,
right? Yeah.
hmm.
Okay.
Now, let us say if you have the Windows server and you install it, okay, what you can
Mm.
do is you can go to the VNSCP. Here, whatever your VANH like 230.1.2, name
Mm.
is admin, password is admin. Go through the VNSCP. In the VNSCP, when you log in over here, oh my bad, I'm sorry. I'm doing it from my main PC. It should be done
Mm.
from the Windows PC. My
Mm.
okay. So VNSCP. Here, if you will go to the 100.230.1.2 and you are
Mm.
saying admin and admin. Let us say you have the root CA over onto your PC. Okay.
Mm.
So can you see where you are? You are into the home and you are into the admin. This is your PKC.
Mm.
And you can even download it. Like over the desktop, if I want it to download, I can download pki.ca. It is there now. Now, if you will go to the desktop, see, you have the PKC.
Mm.
Or maybe from the notepad. Can you see? This is a begin certificate, end of certificate. So this is all of that thing. Getting my point?
Mm.
So you can use VNSCP also if you have the Windows server and you have the file, let us say here. So you just copy from here and paste it. Instead of
What does this
doing,
Windows say? NSCP? What is this? NSCP?
you never use it.
No, I never used it.
This is a file transfer protocol, like GUI based file transfer. Just we are
Mm.
transfer. See, if you see the left hand side, this is my PC.
Mm.
If you see the right hand side, this is my VANH.
Mm.
Okay. So this is my
Mm.
VANH. Which VANH? 100, 230.1.2. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
What is this 100, 230.1.2? This is the VANH. If you see, we put this IP over here in this VANH.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So instead of checking out this directory from here, okay, I am checking
Mm.
this directory directly from here. See, there are two files, archive and this, right? If you go here, if you go and you check in the ls, you could see these two files.
Mm-hmm.
Let us say I am going over here and I am clicking a new, and I am saying a new file, and I am saying
Mm.
test rishi, and I
Mm.
am saying okay.
Mm.
And I am just clicking anything like I am saying test for Rishi VNSCP demo. Okay,
Mm.
I am saving this file and closing this file. There is one more file.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I will go over here again to the V shell, okay, I will do ls. Can you see that file is there?
Mm-hmm.
If I will cat it, you could see the content, right? You could see the content. See, it is bit like you are working on the VANH through the GUI.
Mm-hmm.
Getting this point?
Mm-hmm.
So let us say if you have Windows, so from and you have the file on your desktop, you can just use VNSCP. You can put that file into the home and admin directory, and then same procedure. Okay,
Okay, now VNSCP is what? Is that the VH?
VNSCP is a tool, free tool.
Okay. So this desktop, where did you get this desktop?
This is my desktop, my personal desktop. You can go to any of the directories like desktop, documents, wherever you want.
Okay, so this is your desktop.
Yes. So let us say.
Okay, okay, I got it. From the desktop, you're connecting to the VH.
Yes, let us say I am just putting over here like Rishi. Now, if I can you see this? It come over here also. Now I can copy from my desktop over here. That is the way. So if you have, let us say, the PKI or the root CA on your desktop, you can just click over here, copy over here. That is equivalent like if you are going through the TFTP, FTP, or blah, blah, blah.
Okay. So from this desktop, you're downloading the file to the VH, home admin folder to the VH.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay,
I can do that easily.
Okay, so with the SCP, what you're doing is you're just going to the desktop, putting a file and going to the.
It is a file transfer protocol. Okay, like your TFTP. So what your TFTP does, in case of your TFTP, so through there is a server, there is a client. And what your TFTP does, this should be a TFTP. Now from here you download something. That is what you do, no? Through VNSCP also, you can open both of them. This side server, this side client. Server may be your desktop in this case. You can just copy from here to here. Windows
client would be a VH.
Client can be anything, whatever you log in. It can be VEdge, it can be vSmart, it can be vManage. On whatever device you look. So let us say, if you see here, this is 21110 vManage. Okay. What I can do is I can log in 21110. See, 21110. Okay. Again, admin and admin. If I log in, this is what? This is my vManage. Can you see
vManage? Yeah.
Okay. Here also I put this CA. No. Now if I need to go jump to the V.
So one second, this pka.ca file is in the home directory, home admin directory of the vManage, right?
Yes, right? Yes. There also we
pka.ca file. You installed it from the TFTP server and installed it in the home admin directory of the VH of the vManage.
Yes. Okay.
It's already there. It's on the TFTP server, and from the TFTP server, you installed it into the home admin directory of the vManage and the vSmart.
Perfect. VH. Perfect. That is the way what I am doing. Any doubts so far? Okay. Can you
go a little bit of the valid things? I don't understand the valid. Valid means it's good. Invalid means you're installed certificate, huh?
Invalid means I am just removed.
Can you show me the order? Right now it's valid, right?
Right now I don't have anything. I don't have much. Okay. Whatever I have, these are valid. Okay. These are valid. So I cannot make them invalid. Otherwise, my running device will get, stopped.
Right. So if you have a serial number like 12, 13, 14, that means it's been installed.
These are installed. You can see here. See, certificate installed.
Okay.
Now,
but if it's token generated, it's not installed, huh?
Yes, that is the maybe future devices you have some. Now, see, this device still not in the SD-WAN fabric. It's not up. Okay. What I need to do? I have this device. I install the root certificate, but now something what I want is I want CSR. to be generated, and post CSR, I need to have the identity cert. For that, what I can do, I can just say, okay, I need to exit from here. I can say request CSR and upload the CSR. Where to upload? Home and admin, same file. And here you can just give some file name like csr.txt. It is asking what is my organization name. I am putting the organization name and it is done. If you will go to this directory again, and if you check, the CSR is there now. You can even check the content of CSR like that. Any doubt?
Okay.
So what I did is I just generate a CSR. I just create a CSR on my VH.
Okay. So basically what you're doing is you're requesting a CSR file to be uploaded to the csr.txt directory on the VH.
File name is that, and directory is again home and admin.
Okay. And CSR would be the one which is being
This is the CSR. This is the CSR.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I need to generate the certificate by my own, I can do it. How? I have the root C available. Okay. Maybe in your case, it can be a Windows C also. Hardly matter. What you need to have? You need to have a CSR. Now here I will go and I will just put a command. I will say crypto. Okay. This is somewhat I need to set out these. I already give you the commands how to set. Server. Server is PKI. Request. And here I will say PKCS10 and I will say terminal. When I will enter, it will ask that, okay, give me the CSR. Okay. And CSR already ready. Okay. Let me go to the CSR.
Can you show me that?
This is CSR. Okay. This is CSR. I am copying this CSR, going to the root certificate, pasting it here, putting enter, and it will grant a certificate to me. Can you see this certificate is granted to? Okay. I am copying this certificate and creating one more file here, and I will put the certificate over there. How to create a file? Cat. Okay. And whatever file name you want to give, like I am giving a file name cert.txt. Put the cert here. Okay. If you CLS, you have cert.txt there. Now exit out of here. Show certificate. If you see, there is nothing. Okay. Show certificate install. There is nothing. Show certificate serial. There would not be anything. See, it has a chassis number but does not have any serial number. Okay. Now, if you do one more thing, if you will check show certificate, and maybe root C. There are a lot of root C available. By default, there are a lot of root C that are available. But in our case, because we downloaded the NetMinion, can you see? We have the NetMinion root CA available over there. Now the time to generate the what? Identity certificate. I will say request certificate install. Okay. From where to install? Go to the home directory, go to the admin directory, and there is a file named as cert.txt. Can you see? It is installed now. If you will check show certificate install now, there should be a certificate. Can you see? There is a certificate. And here you can see that there is a certificate that is installed. This is organization unit, right? What is the subject, blah, blah, blah. Everything is there. Now, if I will check show certificate serial, one serial number automatically provided. Got this point? This is second way I am telling you, without token, yeah? Now the thing is, still my vBond is not aware about it. Neither my vManage, neither my vMod. To make them aware, I need to do some steps. Okay. What are those steps? Probably, let me tell you. So vBond I have. Let me go to my vManage also, because I need to tell these two guys. Okay. Because these two guys are unaware. These guys are not aware that there is one more device.
Okay, so there are two ways of doing it. You can make it valid and then do it, or this is the second way of doing it. Huh?
Yes. I am telling
Because
you both
first
of
one, okay, the first was invalid. Then we went to
right.
valid,
Right.
right?
So here,
Okay.
what I am saying request VH add chassis number. What is the chassis number? This is my chassis number. See, and serial number. So what is my serial number? Serial number is 17. I am saying serial number 17. And same thing I need to talk to with my vBond also. Now, if I will check the valid edge, can you see it has the fourth V edge also, because I added it manually, 17. Now, if I will go to my dashboard, after some time, okay, after some time, my fourth device should also come up. Can you see? The VS230 INET is now added.
Okay. So first method it was token generated, right? The token generated means certificate is not installed.
There, what you can do, if you have the, you go to the devices. Now, if you wanted to upload it, the WAN edge list, you can choose a file, download it from the Cisco Edge, open it, upload it. It is saying that, okay, are you wanted to download them? Yes. Validate? No. Just upload. So it is saying that, okay, 10 devices added, because I asked for the 10 devices, and all of these tokens will be there. But these are free. These are for future use. Are you getting these points?
Okay. So basically, okay, so the first 4 are installed. The next 10 is not installed, huh?
Yeah. Only the serial numbers, whatever you can see, these are the installed one.
Okay, now I got it. But this is not installed.
No.
Okay, it's just only token generated. That's all. Hello?
Yeah. That is true.
Right.
That is
right. Because only the first 4 is certificate is installed because you have a serial number, right? 12, 13, 14, 17.
Yes.
The other ones are not installed because it's all token numbers. So you have to go to the valid and do the first step that he showed me, right? The two ways of doing it, right?
Yes.
Right? Go to the thing, go to valid and do those things.
So
right?
Whatever you are saying, that is correct. First way is go to the certificate. Okay. Make it valid. Okay. Then go to the VH. Send it to the controller. Send it to the controller. Send it to controller. Now go to the VH, and here you need to say that request VH cloud activate. It will ask the chassis number, put the chassis number. It will ask the token number or serial number. You need to put the token number here. Once this part is done, serial number will generate it automatically, and all of this stuff is done by your vManage.
Oh, this is the first step. First method.
First method, right? This is the first.
Second method is going to the thing and downloading the PKI file from the root server.
In first method also, I forget to tell. In first method also, you need to download the root CA file, and you need to install the root C. Otherwise, it will not able to authenticate. Okay. Even in the first method also. The only difference is with your identity certificate. Got this point?
So first method also, after putting valid, first method also you're doing install the certificate. So
maybe first thing, install the root C. First thing is this. Okay. Before requesting to activate the VH, first install the root C. Okay. Even in the first method. Is it fine? Or should I write down it somewhere?
Fine. First, you have to download the root C and then make it valid. First method. Right? It's
So, yeah,
invalid. First, we have
that
to
is,
download the root CA from the
yeah.
root CA server, and then you go to the valid and click
And
on
your root CA
valid,
server
and then
can
do
be
your steps.
anything. It can be Linux server, it can be Windows server, hardly matter. Okay.
Okay, got it.
It can
Basically,
be
the first method also you downloading the root CA from the PKI file of the
you have
root server.
root certificate should be installed, right? Okay.
Right. And after that, you just go to the valid and do whatever you did, whatever changes you made, you do in the first method also valid, right?
Correct.
And
Correct.
second method is you have to go request VH session number, and then you have to add those session serial number. So there's two ways of doing of
So
certifying.
in the second, again you need to download the root. Then you need to generate CSR. Then you should be having a certificate and install that certificate. After install that certificate, the final point is you need to go to your vBond and vManage and make those guys aware that this is the new VH device which you need to add it up. This is the chassis number. This is the serial number.
Okay, got it. Okay. So token generated means it has not been installed. Certificate is not installed.
Yes, that is that
You only
device
the
is
token. You
not
don't
in,
have the serial number, right?
right. That device is not in use. Correct.
Not in use, not installed. Okay. Because serial number is the token. There is no serial number like 14, 15, 16, nothing of that sort, right?
Correct.
If you have a serial number 15, 17, then it means it's installed. If it's not for no serial number, it will token generate me, it's not installed. Simple, right?
Right.
You have to go to the thing, download the root certificate, and follow the steps which you did in the first method, the second method. That's it. Okay, I got it. Okay. And that's it. Yeah, I'll go through this once again. I just want to go to show BFT summary on one of the VHs. Show BFT summary on one of the VHs.
Okay, let me do it. But first, let me make this device into the like consideration. I have the device template already. Let me associate them. Okay. So if you see 230, I have already. Let me attach this device. So can you see all the WAN edges I can able to see, even though these are not onboarded yet. Yeah, but it is visible too. So I want 231.1. I need to just go here, IPv4 for the guest. So for the guest, I hope it is one. Yeah. Optional, let it be VPN 10. So VPN 10, if I'm not wrong, it is this prefix VPN 0. Next hop IP address. It is 100.230.1.1. Okay, it is VPN IPv4 prefix. Okay. Now it is 200.230.1.1.
So you have two next hop for this?
I will show you. IPv4 address for gig 0 by 0. IPv4 gig 0 by 0. So it should be 100.230.1.2. I will be gonna show host name. Host name is WANS230. Again, it would be internet and MPLS both. System IP this, site ID 230. Update. Just allow me a minute, okay? Let me check. There should not be anything. Otherwise, we will gonna come back to this. This is number hardly matter. Domain name hardly matter. That is also not an issue. That is not an issue. Not an issue. Color. Why it is not giving color? Public internet. Okay, restrict. It is giving restrict. Okay, that is fine. Restrict. IP out. This is there.
So you got two next hops?
I am showing. Give
me.
I am showing. Give me a minute. Let it get. Now, there are a lot of policies which I created for you. Okay. And if you see, I changed the whole lab as per the same. Okay. If you see, I just wanted to show you the service insertion. Service insertion like firewall service.
Service chain.
Yeah. So I just added the firewall. Then I wanted to show you lot of labs. So that is the reason what I does is for this guy, I added the two links. For this guy, I added the two links. For this guy also, I added the two links. Okay.
Oh, okay. You have one MPLS, one internet for each connection, for each VH.
Everybody has the dual connectivity. I wanted to.
That's why you have two next stops. Okay.
I wanted to show you a lot of things. Then I created guest, I created corporate, I created guest, corporate, and guest, corporate. So I just changed whole the lab topology so that I can show you like if guest should not be interact with anybody, but the corporate VLAN should not be impacted. They should be going like B2B gateway. Okay. Then what should be how you will create the topology? How you will create the policy? I almost prepared, if I'm not wrong, approximately 10, 10 example for you. For the policies, so that you can play in the policy in such extent that you will not need to ask from anybody after these classes. Okay. And that is the reason.
That's why you have two next stops. One is the G00 and another next stop is G01, 100 and 200, right? For each of the edges.
That is right. And you can see all the red lines. Can you see these red lines?
Red lines MPLS, right?
No. So these red lines are the new topology, like whatever I created,
Oh, service VPN.
Separately. Yeah, service VPN also. You can see here the MPLS, here the internet, here the MPLS again. So all of these things are added like that. That whole the topology is changed now. Topology is no more simple because policy is something I need to show you in a very great extent. Okay. So that is the reason I changed whole the topology. Okay.
Can you hold on? Let me just have a water and come. Just 2 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah.